the Matrix Power Watch. It's a smartwatch that's powered by you. It works by converting your own body heat to electric power. And the best part is, you never have to charge it. The watch comes alive because it's powered by you. The human body at rest emits 100 watts as heat, similar to that of an incandescent light bulb. When exercising, that number jumps to 1 kilowatt, similar to the average power we use in a home. What's so cool about this watch is that as you exercise and your skin gets warmer, the Power Watch generates more power. It's got a unique power meter that shows how much electricity your body has generated right on the face of the watch.
We can do some exciting things with this technology, like accurately measure the amount of calories you burn. Our thermoelectric technology measures the amount of heat you've generated from the calories you've consumed. It's also packed with all the features you'd expect in a smartwatch. It has sensors to track both activity and sleep quality. We're designing changeable watch faces to suit your mood. We've also built micro applications so you can do more than just tell the time. And of course, it syncs with your phone and your account in the cloud. Are you into running, mountaineering, trailblazing? It works even better when you're out and about, especially in cold weather. Since you never have to charge it or replace the batteries, it's very well sealed and water resistant to 50 meters.
In some situations, paper will always be best for unleashing our creativity. And sometimes we just need technology. Choosing between paper and computer is a matter of context. Today, we can have the best of both worlds. The Pup is the first ever connected pocket scanner. It is mobile, tiny, lightweight, wireless, with a long-lasting battery. The Pup is very simple to use thanks to its unique button. It is smart. It automatically takes care of every step, from your sheet of paper to its destination on the internet. The Pup allows you to stay comfortable where you are without moving around. You don't need to worry about paper dimensions anymore. Your documents are automatically and safely routed where you need them. The Pup is so simple to use. Choose your scenario. Fit the laser to the pages and press the button. That's it. Your document has just been transferred according to your choice. Some artworks matter more than others. They deserve to be saved and shared instantly with your loved ones. The Pup is always ready to go. It is incredibly fast and easy to use. The Pup brings you closer to the ones you love. The Pup can scan everything. It even works with books. It is smart and automatically fixes any reflection or page curve issues. The Pup comes with its own light and does not rely on the ambient lighting. You always get a sharp image. The Pup is your nomad companion. It follows you everywhere. It takes care of everything and lets you focus on what really matters to you. The Pup will bring you new creative scenarios every day, so you can stay up to date with your favorite networks: Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. They can all be reached in one click. It will even help you import your documents into Word and Excel.
Yeah, it's real good volume. I can hear everything.
You didn't hear that in the beginning? It's amazing.
It's amazing.
How?
I hear it, the sound's coming through. Yeah, I like it. It's so funny.
Whoa.
Hallo?
Oh.
Hey, du hörst einfach die Musik. Yeah. Oh wow, that's really cool.
That's crazy.
Bye.